I'm back today with another trap beat. It's me. I'm going to be making a beat today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Now, my favorite tempo to make beat is 130 BPM. So I'm just going to put my mouse here, right click like this, and just press open. I'm going to wait for my FL Studio to load. It's going to load. Now it's loading. It's loading, getting ready. Now I've opened my FL Studio. As you can see, this is my kick. This is my channel rack. This is my playlist. This is my mixer. I'm going to click here on add and press this preset called Citrus. Now it's open. I'm going to left click here and hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheel up to channel 5. Now I'm going to click on this icon. I'm going to click on this icon here. I'm going to click on this icon and click on preset. Now I'm going to pick this one called Dreamy. I'm going to use this preset called Dreamy. That's the preset I'm going to use to start programming my Scotland trap beat. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll. That's very good. My Scotland trap beat today is going to be fired. It's going to be nice. I'll start programming my trap beat. First, I'm going to program the first 2 bars. Then I'm going to take the first 2 bars and copy right to bars number 8 to create a whole loops melody. Let's go. Now I'll start it like this. Melody, I'm going to reduce the slot 2 to mix 3. Then I'm going to add the sound organizer. On my first melody again, I'm going to reduce the mix, the slot 3 to mix 3. Mix level 3% and add the fruity multiband compressor. Then here, I'm going to click here and add the fruity parametric EQ2. Programming my snare. I'll just right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to start programming my snare now. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I've created a 1 bass hi-hat. I'm going to left click, pull it to the left and press Ctrl B to bars number 8. Now I'm going to turn it up on hi-hat and click on slot 1 and add the sound organizer. Now I'm going to click here, drag it to channel 1 on my channel rap. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll to start programming my kick. And click on this icon and switch the boost knob up. Now, this is my playlist where they have written part 1. I'm going to right click like this and click this icon here, split by channel. I've clicked it, split by channel. On the left top corner of my FL Studio, as you can see, I've programmed everything. You can see my kick, my hi-hat, my snare, my first melody, my second melody. I'm going to click on this icon here and drop it into my playlist. Click on this hi-hat, drop it into my playlist. Click on this snare, drop it into my playlist. Click on this first melody, drop it into my playlist. Click on this last melody and drop it into my playlist. That's it. Now I'm going to left click only to the left. I'm going to arrange my beat now. Make it long. I want to press Ctrl and B. Ctrl and B is to copy on my playlist. When pressing Ctrl and B, is to copy to make it longer. To press space and intro and outro. Press Ctrl and B again. The hi-hat here, I'm going to remove the snare here. Then on this first melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. Second melody here, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. Then here on the ending of my intro, I'm going to click hi-hat here. I'm going to add a hi-hat here. I'm going to add a hi-hat here and here. My snare, I'm going to click on slot 1 and just come here and click on this sound organizer. Then I'm going to turn on my masters right up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Now let's listen to the full Scotland trap beat from the start to the end. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you'll get notified. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in another video. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell below. Bye.